Hi, this is Ella from Donggang Group. Today I will show you the machine, the hydraulic compressor. We also call it a PH300. First, we are now on the side. We can see the machine is working quickly and efficiently. We can see the conveyor belt driven by the motor is spinning quickly and the rotors. Now let's look at the cabin. As we can see, the cabin contains many buttons. By this, we can control the machine. Okay, let's look at this. This is the electric control panel. By using this, we can see clearly of the machine, and it has two models. Okay, if you have any interest with the machine, you can contact me.